Hi, and thank you for clicking through. You've had a look at the other video, you get the general idea of what's happening, that weight loss is basically a neck up problem. Because we can buy that gym membership, but it doesn't mean that we're going to use it. We can do all the right sort of shopping, but it doesn't mean we're going to eat those foods. It all comes down to the decisions we're making on a day-to-day basis and meal-by-meal basis. It's when you walk past that bakery as to whether you keep going or go in. Now, the latest weight loss book or diet book won't have any impact at that time. 20 gym memberships won't stop you from walking into that bakery unless you have a good reason not to, unless you've already made that decision, unless you can do so without feeling any stress. So what's going to lead you in there? You go through all these mental processes. Will I, won't I, should I, shouldn't I? And then sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. What you'll be learning is how to control that feeling, how to head off the stress that leads you into such situations. Because most overeating is about stress. It's managing some emotion, some feeling that we don't want to have, some level of anxiety or fear in our lives. And we use food to manage it. And the simple reason is when you load your body full of carbohydrate, usually in the tasty form, not just the broccoli form, it does reduce your stress levels for a very short time. Then your stress levels come back, then you're angry at yourself for eating the whole thing, and so you've got two problems occurring. And so often the eating, it's not even pleasurable. You know, you open that bag of chips and you enjoy a few, but you just keep going until the little bag's finished. Or you ration out, I'll have just a few cookies. And as one client said to me, my cookies were gone before I even sat down in front of TV with my cuppa to enjoy them. I'd already eaten them. There was little pleasure. And that's one of the things. There's this often little pleasure in overeating. It's just accompanied by guilt and stress and frustration and disappointment in ourselves. You will learn how to deal with all those things. You will learn how to relax quickly, how to quickly collapse a food craving. You'll learn to simply feel better about yourself and to make those decisions easier. And of course, the less decisions you have to make, the better you'll feel. So the less things in your pantry, the less decisions you'll have to make. But of course, that tracks back to a decision in the supermarket or the shop. This is all doable. The dietary part of it is fabulous. It will guaranteed to help you lose weight. We'll talk about the very best forms of motion or exercise for you, but we're going to spend the bulk of the time just helping you to manage all these problems for now and into the future. Plus you get 30 days support online. You'll be getting some periodic emails. You won't get inundated, and they'll just be there by way of support. They could be text, it could be audio, it could be video. Just something quickly in your day that you can refer to keep you on track. Thank you, I'm Ian Newton. Just call the 1300 number. You can book this next seminar, and I look forward to working with you and to helping you to feel better about yourself, to lose that weight, to transform your body and your feelings, and to get really, really healthy in the process. And that's the benefit. Thank you.